Oh, hi guys. So yeah, as you saw in my video on the other on this today, I don't know what I'm talking about, but as you saw that I was quitting YouTube, but guess what? This is my last video before I quit. But maybe I might not quit. So yeah, okay. So okay, so my recording thing is like a little laggy, so it might make my voice sound weird, like choo, like okay. So and it might make my voice sound like a kid, but okay. So yeah. So I don't know what to do, but